Hello, this is Joseph with Allied Air. We're currently looking inside of our 7AH1RE air handler. With this, the air handlers come from the factory with 230 connections ready to go. So with that, we would just be able to hook up to our line voltage on 230, but something unique is that we're also able to go down to a 208 as well as by using a included harness going all the way down to a 115 volt application. Our transformer is in the back right of the control compartment, and if you look, we actually already have a 115 connection. It's this white wire here. The black wire is set to our 230, which we can disconnect and plug into our 208 if we're going to be using just 208 voltage. We can leave the factory harness connected for 208 conversion and connect line voltage like we would for a 230 application. If it's 115, then we'll leave it. We don't need to disconnect and reconnect anything, so that one would stay there. So to go to a 115, we'll be removing our initial line connections. So this one is for the 230. And if we follow the yellow and black wires around, it goes to our next harness. From here, there's a push button you can push towards the front and pull apart. Then we'll bring in our adapter harness for the 115. Go ahead and plug that back in and listen for the click. Now that that's connected, we now have a black and a white line connection. And if we were to trace the white wire all the way to the rear, the transformer already comes with a 115 volt plug on the transformer. So we'll be able to hook to line voltage and be good to go. In these applications, it's also good to note that when we convert to a 115, we'll not be able to use the electric heat options for these air handlers.